friends, and welcome back to our YouTube channel of Alicante Real Estate. My name is Alex, and like always, I'm happy and delighted to present this kind of videos and help you or their clients and followers with the sale, with the buy, and of course with the rent of real estate properties at our beautiful, sunny, hot Costa Blanca region. Today I am staying in Benijófar. It's a small town that belongs to Alicante that I know very good because I live here for 22 years and I was working a lot in Benijófar. I was passing a lot of times through Benijófar, and I've seen how in last 5-7 years this town has grown, because it was a small Spanish traditional town and now it has grown in the site so much new infrastructure, new villas, new houses, wealthy people living here, lot of people from outside, Germans, French, Norway, Scandinavian, British people, so a lot of people from outside, wealthy people living here, good neighborhood, people living here all the year. And today, friends, in this nice place, I want to show you a new house that we got on sale. It's completely new. It was bought 1 year ago. The only reason that the family is selling this house because it's a little bit too small for them. So yes, we have a corner house, semi-detached house with 2 floors, roof terrace, private pool, private spot to park your car, back terrace, 2 bedrooms on the first floor, 1 toilet, guest toilet in the ground floor, and 1 more bathroom in the first floor, and big roof terrace with nice views. I just want to mention quick that now from this part we have a lot of new build properties here. All the infrastructure is new, and only about 600 meters, 500 meters walking distance you have the old town of Benijófar. There you have everything you need: bars, restaurants, supermarkets, new commercial center straight here, new commercial center at the end, Mercadona supermarket, Consum, McDonald's, everything that you need for a regular life. I will recommend something like this for people, maybe somebody that wants to live permanent because it's a quiet area with all the infrastructure, everything ready, or maybe for people that are renters and they want to enjoy the life here in a nice place. It's a good place to live, believe me. Of course, also for holidays, because you have the private pool. As investment will work very well. So maybe let's start with the back terrace. You have a nice place to be there. It's a dining area. On here, as you see, you can cover it from the sun, and you can also access to this area straight from the living room and the kitchen. There's a window. You can go here, imagine being here with all the family, enjoying, and yeah, you can have your shadow, you can enjoy in summer, you can make your barbecue here. Everything is modern, everything is new, lovely place to be. This is a small storage here on which you have the water boiler and the wash machine. And now follow me and I will show you the inside of this nice house. So friends, now we're inside the property. Storage for your shoes, and straight on front we have the guest toilet with window. Yes, it's Christmas now and we have decoration all around. Very good size of house. This house has 110 square meters constructed area and 150 square meters outside space. So yeah, it's big. Check it out. Nice, bright, big living room with morning's sun over there and evening sun from this window there, so it's very bright. Lot of space, big kitchen. You have the wash disher, everything at the modern standards with the fridge here. This is the window that drives us to the back terrace that I showed at the beginning of the video, dining area. Yeah, so as you see, you have a lot of space, nice, modern, everything is good designed. Look at these stairs, how beautiful, wood color. So now we're going to see the first floor that has 2 bedrooms and 1 bathroom, and then we go to the roof terrace. Follow me. So friends, now we're on the first floor. Nice, big, bright stairs. And here we have the bathroom. It's fully equipped. Very big shower plate, check it out, very well done. So we have enough place to shower. Window, we have underfloor heating on this case. This is the access to the roof terrace that I will show you now later. The first bedroom, what I really love of this property, it's that it has huge windows. The living room, both bedrooms have this nice big window, so you have a lot of natural light. This is the morning light, and in the second bedroom, the light that you will have in the evening, in the afternoon. A lot of space, inbuilt wardrobes. They have a lot of spaces to storage, well done. Yeah, and the bedroom is very big. Second bedroom, please check it out. Same nice wardrobe. I will quick show you, friends. Just please look, waking up, seeing all this nature and the mountain of Orihuela there. And yeah, it's amazing, I think, to wake up and see all this. And now let's go to see the rooftop. You will be surprised. So friends, and now by stairs we join this big, nice roof terrace. Check it out, please. Amazing views. Wow. Now I see, now it's sunny, and I see that we even have the views to Elche, to Crevillente, to all the Vega Baja, mountains of Orihuela. Wow. Amazing views. So we have a big roof terrace. We have about 30 square meter size connections for the drain, the water. You can put a summer kitchen. You can put a pergola, maybe like these neighbors did there, you see. So a lot of place to enjoy, and very important to mention that the neighbor's house doesn't have the roof terrace. They don't have this, so you will be always alone and private, sitting here with whole family. You can put the jacuzzi here and enjoy this nice sunny roof terrace. Very good option. I like this house. I'm in love with this house. I very like Benijófar. Believe me, it's a nice place to be and to live and to enjoy your holidays. Everything as what you see here and around in the surroundings is new. So friends, to conclusion, 320,000 euro for a house that was built last year. Everything modern. Almost everything will stay, just a couple of things as furniture will go out, but everything is discussable with the seller. So yes, I think it's a very nice property that is located in a very nice place. 320,000. Contact me for more details. I leave you here my telephone number. Just write me a message or call me anytime. I will always kindly answer all your questions about this property or any other property, maybe something similar. So yes, subscribe this channel, share this video with your family, your friends, give us a like. I wish you a Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, and all the best. See you next time in our YouTube channel of Alicante Real Estate. Adios.